Привет, friends. This is Andrei speaking to you, and we bringing here Lavash Gaming Mousemate. This is an intense, very good fucking Lavash. It has 20 tactile bumps. You can feel every single one of them. And so yeah, I fucking love to kill myself. Yeah. This Lavash Gaming Mousemate can accelerate up to 100 meters per second, and it can also make you 100 times better at CSGO. This Lavash is so good. I'm gonna show it to you guys. This fucking fancy piece of fucking Lavash. Fucking took a bite from it. Let me take another one. Oh yes, my friend. Ah, okay, so I'm gonna show you how fucking good this shit is. Okay? So I got this, right? I got this keyboard, I got this monitor, and I don't know, I have to do something about this. Fuck, this part of Lavash does not compute very well. Yes, okay, round 2. Shit, this also doesn't really work, I'm sorry my friends. Let's do this again. Shit, don't look at this, sorry. Okay, let's do something that is not broken, okay? My friend. Bow صاحب cancer. Okay? Shit, fuck, сука, блядь.
Okay, guys, as you saw, this lavash was incredibly fucking good. It tracked every single millimeter of my movement perfectly. I don't know how much this shit costs, but it should be pretty fucking expensive for a piece of lavash that's good. I could become global elite with this. Yeah. So yeah, I might have failed these Osu songs, but I am not good at Osu, so I am not Asian enough for this. So yeah, but this Lavash is most definitely one of the best things ever. If I were to play CSGO with this, I would definitely get global elite. Buy this Lavash from Mama Maxima and kill yourself tonight. Feels good. Feels Lavash, man. Feels fucking Lavash. Some good fucking Lavash, my friend.